Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to unbox these brand new Xiaomi ecosystem products from their recent launch, the Mi Band 5, Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic, and the Mi TV Stick. Now, as you guys know, I will be giving a lucky 15 of you away these amazing products later this evening. Stay tuned for that. But for now, I just want to unbox these here and share the experience with you on the channel. Let's talk about the pricing quickly for these. The Mi Band or Mi Smart Band 5 is going to retail for €39.99. We have the Earphones 2 Basics, which are also retailing for €39.99. And last but not least, the Mi TV Stick is also retailing for €39.99. And I just love how all of these products represent a very different experience in your life, from a wearable to an audio experience to a TV video experience. And so let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys right now. So let's start with the Mi Band 5, and this is the global version. Very excited to check this one out. Open this up, tear that open right there. And looks like this is the charging cable. Slide this out. There's the Mi Band 5. But we do have our Mi Smart Band 5 user manual in multiple languages. And here you see the Mi Smart Band 5 charging cable. And I really do like how they've improved the charging experience on the Mi Smart Band 5. I will show you guys in a second how that works. Let's open this now and take this out. And there it is, the Mi Smart Band 5, and it's ready to go here, already in pairing mode. And now let me quickly show you guys how you are able to charge the new Mi Smart Band 5 series. It's a lot easier than the previous generation, because on the Mi Band 4, you actually had to remove the entire kind of center part out of the band, but this time you only have to do this, and it will magnetically attach through the band itself. So this will make charging a lot easier with this product than the previous generation. And what are the basic features you need to know about this Mi Smart Band 5? A 1.1-inch AMOLED display, activity tracking up to 11 exercise modes, heart rate, sleep tracking, and even stress monitoring. And we also have female health tracking available on this as well. So I will go ahead and pair this shortly, but for now, let's set this aside and now go to the next product here, the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic. And yes, guys, I'm a big fan of this Mi True Wireless Earphones series. I do have the original basics, but these should be a very great upgrade from the first generation. And let's open these up. There we go. And sliding them out, and let's see what we get. Ooh, hoo, hoo, look at that. I love the presentation here. And immediately you can just tell, obviously it is giving me AirPods vibes, but I really do like the new look, especially because the longer stem will actually bring the microphone closer to your mouth and will make audio calls even better. Let's see what we have down here. And we have USB-A to USB-C, a big deal for these True Wireless 2 Basics. And here's the case for the True Wireless Basics. And each of these Wireless 2 Basics should provide 5 hours of uninterrupted use, but then with this case, you're going to get up to 20 hours of use. Lift the flap, and there we go. Let's have a look at these. And I love how this is kind of a glossy on the earpiece, but it's got this nice matte texture on the stems with easy automatic pairing and detection. And these should support the latest AAC codecs on both iOS and Android, so that's a pleasant sight. I can't wait to test these out. Let's go ahead and put them in the case, and there we go. And once again, another user manual for these Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic in multiple languages. And last but not least, the Mi TV Stick. And I'm very excited about this one because I do have a Mi TV box, but to have a pocket-sized full HD streaming media device with Android TV that I can bring around on a staycation or even in another room of my house, this Mi TV Stick should do the job. With Google Assistant and Chromecast, a Bluetooth remote with dedicated Netflix and Prime Video buttons supporting Dolby and DTS surround sound. This is a quad-core CPU, 1 gig of RAM, and 8 gigs of built-in storage in this tiny thing. Let's unbox this Mi TV Stick right now. Tearing that open, easily the most portable way to turn any of your TVs into an Android smart TV. And let's lift this up and see what we have. And there it is, the Mi TV Stick. Wow, this is actually a lot smaller than I expected. Amazing to think all of the computing power and capability we have in this portable little package. Here we see the Mi TV Stick, important product information, and the user manual, available in multiple languages. And we have our European charging brick and our charging cable. And last but not least, we have the Mi TV Stick remote. And I tell you guys, that's a big difference between, Chromecast or these other solutions. I think if you're going to have a TV stick or box, you need a good controller. And this is very similar to the Mi TV box controller that I do have, but I don't know if it had these dedicated buttons. This is a very nice upgrade. Pulling off the plastic there. And there we go, guys. The Mi TV stick and Bluetooth remote ready for all of your full HD streaming needs. And so there we go, guys. The Mi Smart Band 5, the Mi True Wireless 2 Basics, and the Mi TV Stick. A great selection of Xiaomi's latest ecosystem product launch items right here. And hit me up with any questions or comments you have about these specific products. And once again, stay tuned. This evening, I will be announcing those 15 lucky winners of these incredible products here on the channel. Make sure you go check out that giveaway video if you haven't joined already and follow all the steps so that maybe you can be one of those lucky winners. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. So I can't wait to start using all of these awesome products, and I will keep you guys posted. Let me know if you'd want to see full reviews of these products as well. I'll be happy to do so. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.